right? So, you enjoyed the last tutorial. And today we're going to add another one. You can see I changed the start off. You can tie this. It's simple. Just watch me. It's a full wrapper, right? This is a full wrapper. So what you're going to do is bring the two ends together. I see it. Then tie it. Then tie it again. I see it. Okay. Look. So today, last week I taught about something like this. Which I said 1, 2, 3. Right? Just 1, 2, 3. And again 1, 2, 3. Okay? Today I'm teaching us like this. I see. Okay. Yeah, it's not hard. Like that, you like this. You get like this. You get like this. You get like this. You get like this. So watch. Listen. So that one, I thought I would put teaching us again. So it's only one side we're going. Let's go. 1. Alright. We're going like this. Let's go. This one, okay, first let's start with this body. See, then let's go with this leg. Can let me start like this? I'm going with all my feet though. I like it. So now, when you're going to show your hands, you go the hands and go this way. Alright, let's go. Alright, you're there. So let's just go. Yeah, that baby. Like I said, let's go slow. From slow, we get fast, faster, faster, fastest. Alright, let's do it. Okay. Can we do that one easy? It's easy. Can be off now. But please don't forget to click the like button, give me a thumbs up, and click on the red button there. And subscribe for me, support your babe. I'm your friend, I'm your sister, babe. Alright. Do have a lovely, perfect, beautiful, and excellent week ahead. And while enjoying yourself, make sure you do that in Christ Jesus, because He owns you, He owns me, He owns us all. And all we owe Him is to worship Him alone. No other God involved. Okay. You have a lovely day. Love you all. I'm making I love you. Bye.